and welcome to another Nonsense Wars production. This is my Pennsylvania Railroad MP54. I recently took some new video of this model, and I thought I'd add some commentary. The MP54s were electric multiple units based off of unpowered P54 coaches, and they operated in the Northeast Corridor for more than 70 years. I originally built a set of P54s to run behind my T1, but eventually I motorized one to make this MP54. Despite it being a mechanically simple model, there are still some engineering considerations made in the design. The power function setup consists of a AAA battery box, a receiver, and an RC train motor all on one end of the car. The section of roof above the battery box connects with only a few studs in the middle, and this is such that you can use the front as a power button. Like on my QJ, there's a lens there which exposes the power LED on the battery box, though this implementation won't work with the rechargeable box. The electrical components are crammed into one end of the body in order to keep as much weight as possible over the motor. I had to jump through a lot of hoops with the wiring to make this work, and unfortunately one of those hoops is folding a ton of wire into a very tight space. Like all of the official LEGO train motors, the RC motor has very poor torque at low speeds, meaning that you can't move a heavy load slowly. Furthermore, small increases in resistance, like going through a turn, can slow a train considerably. Due to these performance characteristics, I don't use this motor or the PF train motor on any of my other locomotives. But it's surprisingly appropriate for the MP54 as it won't be pulling many cars and the high top speed is not inaccurate. Finally, I'm using plastic Big Ben Bricks wheels instead of the official LEGO train wheels with tires in order to reduce rolling resistance and smooth out performance through curves. That being said, the plastic wheels need to have some grip in order to move the train, and that is why the weight distribution I talked about earlier is important. 3 or 4 notches on the PF controller is generally sufficient for the MP54 to pull a couple cars smoothly, and I think this is a good speed for the model, if not already too fast. It perhaps already looks a bit silly going through R40 curves, but it's not slowing down much through them because of the plastic wheels. On that note, this is the end of the commentary. Enjoy the rest of the clips and have a nice day.